MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, Hum by Verizon, RockAuto.com, State Farm, and WeatherTech.
Every year when the weather turns warm, my shops are inundated with air conditioning problems. And many of those problems are caused by do-it-yourselfers. So, if you're a do-it-yourselfer, the very first thing that you need to know is what type of refrigerant your car has. Now, years ago, it was a standard R12. Well, that was phased out in the 90s for R134A, and now if you look at a lot of the new cars, you'll see that they have R1234YF. You have to know what goes in it so you don't put the wrong product in your air conditioning system. I know the fittings are not interchangeable, but somehow you folks figure out a way to do that. Don't know how, but you do. Anyway, if an air conditioning system is not working properly, you seem to think the only thing that could possibly be wrong is it's low on refrigerant, so you go out and buy one of these handy-dandy kits and you start pumping more refrigerant into it. Well, if it wasn't low in the first place, say it may have had a corroded wire connector or something like that, you put more refrigerant in it, now it's overcharged, now you got a whole new set of problems, and you have to take it to a shop. All right, number one, remember, unless you know it's low on refrigerant, don't add refrigerant to the system. Then, if you take it to the shop, make sure you ask the shop if they have one of these. This is a refrigerant identifier. It tells the technician exactly what's in your air conditioning system as a refrigerant. Why is this important? Well, because there's all kinds of counterfeit refrigerant out there. Now, a lot of the refrigerants are cut with products like propane, which is a great refrigerant, except it burns and it's explosive. You certainly don't want a bonfire under your dash. So you want the shop to use the refrigerant identifier on every car that comes in so that your car doesn't get cross-contaminated. Plus, you want them to use it on every container of refrigerant that they buy so that they don't somehow have a container of bogus refrigerant slip through the system and then get installed in your car. So make sure that you ask that question. If they have a refrigerant identifier, and do they use it on every car and every new bottle of refrigerant? And if you have a question or a comment, drop me a line right here at MotorWeek.